Today we're going to look at the new vegan silk sheets. These are 100% bamboo. We've got a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 zippered pillowcases. Just slipping my hand inside there, you can feel the cooling. It's not even on the bed yet. There's a little bonus inside also for your sleeping enjoyment. Super thick. Oh, that feels amazing. It's so satiny and soft. Has nice zippered seams on the pillowcase. Inside it's cool and soft as well on both sides. I love the way these things feel. The pillowcases actually fit the pillows perfectly, which is pretty awesome. They slit right in, and then of course you have the zippers. This is really nice. The elastic on these is really nice. Really tiny tufts on there. Double sewn. And it's sewn under here to give it a little bit extra durability. Look how deep these sheets are. That is super deep. Great option for hot sleepers. I love the way it feels on the skin. Time to get frosty.